Right. Take off 3 inches. Oh yeah, the glorious smell of burning plastic. There's the threads. Mangled. Friggin' junk. Junk. Take off this one. Put it on my new Pitless. Alright. Get a torque wrench for this. Seems about right. So now, family owned, American proud. Frith and Walling. Family owned, American proud. So that means it's going to say made in Mexico, right? Right. Not used in swimming area. Made in Mexico. Why doesn't it say made in USA? Thermally protected, equipped with lightning arrestor system solutions, made in Mexico. So it's family owned and they're using sweatshop labor. 2-wire submersible motor. Franklin Electric. Flint and Walling. They're talking about Mexico right now, the endless murders. So now we put our pipe on. It says
American proud, not American made.
It says family owned, American proud. Made in Mexico. It's nice to give the Mexicans a job. They need to work too, but hello. You know something? That needs to be tightened. Do you have a Phillips handy?
Nope.
I do.
When we receive the need for a news or something happen, we make sure that we communicate with each other through the radio. We make sure that we be somewhere before we actually get to the scene.
$1.49.
We make sure that nobody
that screen.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, it's not tight.
We always meet at least 3 blocks away from what happened so that we go together.
No locking compound on those threads. Vibration in the hole. Alright, we're going to put it on that pipe using the propane torch and throw it down the hole after I put on my isolators and my non-specification wire. I don't care. It's cheap. Whee! Whee! All the way around. How do you like that? The wire is just the right length too. By magic. Alright, we tightened those right till they went crooked. I put 3 clamps on. What the heck, huh? You know, we're forgetting one thing though. Put that on. I got my torque arrestor in that bag right there. Get that up in the air for you. I'm going to tape those clamps up. These are rough edges. Of course, it'll be that tape dissolving in the well years from now. The water tastes like duct tape. Maybe I should buy some shrink tubing next time, some 2-inch shrink tubing.
2-inch shrink tubing, there we go. That would be beauteous.
Good.
Warning, do not use on a submersible pump.
Especially in the Adirondacks. Okay, now we got to put on the torque arrestor. Funny, Lowe's it was $15 and the plumbing supply was $7. Made in Canada. Seal Well products. Feel Well and Seal Well. This is Seal Well. They also make Feel Well products. They make soaps and creams for women. It's Feel Well products. Milverton, Ontario. Beauchart Industries. Milverton, Ontario. Where the hell is that? All right. Too many parts around here. It's making me nervous. MIG welder. Save the day. Strip threads. All right. Well, an hour's gone by, and we've got some shrink tubing that doesn't quite fit. Got our wires cut at different lengths so the connectors don't all... Look at that, the ground one's right even with the other one. Anyways, we're going to throw on some more shrink tubing with the glue inside. Hold that camera. Yeah, we tried to space them, but we didn't. A nice long piece of shrink tubing. I'm going to crank this baby up. Crank her up! Oh yeah, nice hot flame. Because it's cold and breezy. Winter weather. This ain't Florida, mama. Not sure if this is going to do anything or seal anything, but we're doing it anyway. Maybe it'll hold the moisture in more. I guess anything underwater 100 feet down, 30 meters down, no matter what you do. Whee! We get a close up to show how it's shrinking.
Yep.
Whoops! Oh yeah. It's getting stretch marks. Funny, it just hits that certain point and all of a sudden gets sucked right in. I sort of read about this a little bit on the internet to see what people suggest. Attachment methods and stress relief methods. Didn't read about it at all. Just wing it. Slow it burning. Bring the barbecue sauce? That's it. All done. All done. Put my connectors away, put that torch in some nice dry grass so it catches fire. Put all my little butt connectors away. Got my rope attached, double Thomas & Betts tie wraps. I got it knotted with a tie wrap. Got a tie wrap here. Got my torque arrestor that will compress to the proper size. Once we get this in the hole, rope. I'm going to tie wrap this. Maybe I'll stick that inside there. I don't know. All I know is my hands are freezing. I'm not sure if I want to be in Las Vegas with my hands burning in a junkyard or in the Adirondacks freezing. I'm going to stick that in the hole. Alright. Snip. Where's my big screwdriver? Put it back? Rant rave, rant rave. Wet breeze. Well, we're going to tighten that up. Get it all tucked into the rubber torque arrestor. You're contaminating my well with grass. Wait a minute. Okay, now you can throw it in. It's a grass-fed well.
Gotta adjust the torque.
Oh yeah, it's hard to do with camera. Yep, alright. Alright, down she goes. Say goodbye, pump. Hope we don't see you ever again. At least not for 25 years. Yeah, I'm sure there's a professional well guy that's going to tell me, no, you don't put that on, or you put that this way, or you do it the other way. Alright, I have no freaking clue. Goodbye. Yep, time for more tape. So here it is, my stripped pitless. This is on the other side of the pipe, and you go whoop. Now you take a brand new one, hook it up to your 10-foot pipe, and drop it into place. Once you put your adapter, your barbed adapter on the bottom, and I grind this hook off. This hooky. There. The usual suspects. And we're almost out of rope. We got 90 feet of rope, 30 meters of rope in the hole. And I guess we're done. Put the adapter on, put the 10-foot piece on, pipe, drop it into the pitless connector, and do my wire connections, and Go to the log house. UPS. Go to the log house and do the other circulating pump, and it's friggin' cold here. Cold, cloudy day. Dump truck's going tomorrow. Tomorrow. Hey, I'll do a little more.
Let me stand on the end of it.
Yep.
Go for it.
Ding! Beautiful. Never used this thing before, but now we know that it can hook a pitless with it. That's all that matters. Whoop. All right. We got our bushing threaded into the pitless, aimed towards this curb stop, sometimes known as a bunum, and we can't see where it's going. We just drop it in and sort of guess and hope and pray. We'll grab that rope.
This is the part where we drop it in, right?
Yeah. And we know where it's supposed to land because we got that ring on the from going around and around and around and around.
Yeah, a couple more feet.
Let's see where that ring is. Oh, a couple more feet. You're right. Another few inches. Yeah, somewhere right in that neighborhood. Nope, too far. Clunk.
Clunk.
Nope. Can't see it. It's way down in the hole.
I think I was turned a little bit too, possibly. I don't know.
Yeah, because now it's not rigid on the. It could tighten.
One night last year, he says, 3 inmates who were gang members showed up in his cell.
10 o'clock, they just came to my bed after the count and, started the close.
This might be a job for a guy that knows how to do it.
Yeah, right.